Hello, how's everyone doing? As you guys know, I'm the sysop of the Anarchy Underground BBS and the Endless Chaos BBS. And so I thought I'd share some HD action because I was having people ask me about how Commodore looks on my 32-inch HD. Friend Overlord made a couple demos. He's been messing with it here lately. So I thought I'd load one up for you here and show you what it looks like on the SX64 and the HDTV using a 5-pin VIC-20 video cable, because that's the only cable I really got that you can hook up just straight yellow video jack sort of deal. So here we go. Not too shabby. So I thought you guys would enjoy it anyway. And also, you can't forget about the 5-inch screen. Well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.